Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this one. In the given this figure is given. ABCD is a rectangle in which C intersects AB at point E and ADFA is a semicircle whose diameter is given, that is AD. What is the area of we have to find the unshaded region of the given figure. So we have to find the area of this one. Unshaded means this is the semicircle and this triangle we have to add together. And here AD, this is given as the diameter is AD. So now see here, this is 7, BC is 7, so AD also should be 7. So diameter is 7, so the radius is going to be, that will be 7 divided by 2, you can write, or you can write 3.5, both is the same, that will be in centimeter. So these things first, now let us see step by step. And this whole thing is a rectangle, and here this C intersects AB. This C is intersecting AB. And one more thing we can do here, now this is 17, this is 17. So here we have this part, that is AE, that is 5. So here EB, this EB should be, from 17 you are going to subtract 5, that is going to be 12. So now let us start. Now first thing, what will you do, we'll take the area of this B, this one BEC, this is a triangle. So you know this triangle, we can just put the formula over here, that will be half into base into height. So here this is the base and this is the height of this triangle. So half into base into height. So B is there, and now since I told you earlier now that this one BE, or we can call it as AB, that is 7. From 17 we have to subtract this 5, that will be 12. So what will you write in place of this BE? You will write 12, and BC, you know this is 7 already given. So now when we simplify this one, so this is going to be 42 centimeters square, because now this is the area, so it will be always in square. Now we got the area of this triangle. Now let us see for this is a semicircle. So you know the formula for the area of circle, that is pi r square. So since it is half, that semi means half, so that will be, area of semicircle should be pi r square by 2. So now, or we can also write that half pi r square. So now you know pi, the value of pi, either you write 22 by 7, or we can write as 22 by 7 when you divide it, that will be 3.14. Both is the same. And now here you know the diameter is given, that is, this is the diameter. Now this is 7. So this also should be 7, and the radius will be 7 divided by 2, half of the diameter. So for the radius we are going to write here, because this is asked us 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 2 here, this will be 11. So here 7 and 7, this gets cut off. So here what remains is 77 divided by 4. So this one, when you divide this one, you get 19.25 centimeters square. So now we want the area of they have asked for the unshaded region, means this and this, the area of this both. So what are you going to do? You are going to add both of them. So area of that triangle plus that area of semicircle, what we found out here. So when you add this both, 42 plus 19.25, you get 61.25 centimeters square. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.